Welcome to Nightly Bills. I bought these cheap LED lights from a Swedish department store, and I plan to use them as cheap and easy lights when making videos. Let's see what we got. Well, they're 230 volts and the output is 10 watts. They're safe for outdoor use, got 700 lumen, 4000 Kelvin color temp, and they're not dimmable, unfortunately. They do have a nice little stand that's got some mounting holes on it. And the lamp is made up of 12 LEDs, so about 0.8 watts per LED. And the cable is short and not detachable, so that's a drawback. But the biggest problem is that the light is too direct and they cause hard shadows. So I'm gonna make an easy diffuser softbox kind of thing, using some cardboard, a ruler, scissors, pen, some tape, knife, and some butter paper. And I begin by cutting a cardboard rectangle. I draw some lines around the edges to mark out where they're gonna fold up. Then I cut the corners with a knife. And I use a ruler to fold up the edges. I then fold up the edges and mark a line where the corners meet. And then I cut those bits out. And I fold it again, and I put some tape on to make sure it sticks together, and then I trim off any excess. So now I have this fast food looking kind of container, and that's going to be the frame for our diffuser. And I tape the outside with gaffer's tape to make it more sturdy and maybe look a little better. Then I cut out an opening in the middle for the lamp itself. And now this is where I realized I'd gotten the measurements wrong and the light didn't fit. The hole was too big. So I went ahead and did it all over again. And here we are. Now that looks like a better fit. So I'll make a new opening for the light. Yeah, that aligns a lot better. So I'll tape the frame to the base of the LED. Then get some sandwich paper from the kitchen. And this is what I'm going to use as a diffuser sheet. You could use something else, whatever you got, another material that we want to use to diffuse the light, go ahead. This is what I had. But this worked pretty well. And I taped this around the edges. Just make sure that it gets on there properly. and I cut off some excess, just trimmed it a bit. And I just clean up the corners a bit. Yeah, okay, that looks all right. So let's try it out. And there it is. So that worked pretty well. The shadows are a lot softer, and it really diffuses the light quite well, while still being pretty bright. But it looks a lot smoother and softer now. And I'm just trying it out now from different angles and various distances. It's still very bright. I don't think I lost a lot of brightness. It's just diffused and a lot softer now, which is what I was going for, of course. So this was a quick and easy project that's basically free, and the result is by no means perfect, but I'm still pretty happy with how it turned out. And hopefully you enjoyed it too. And if you did, it would mean a lot if you would like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. And until next time, take care.